Alright, so basically today I want to use a different way to learn data structure, algorithm, and the lyrics that I want to sing. The reasons that I want to do this is because the reason of what I want to change my way to learning is because it seems like the learning way from in the last week for data structure and algorithm is not it's not the ideal way to learn because there are no there has no one can tell me where I'm right or wrong. So this week I gonna use ChatGPT to correct me. As you see, I built a ChatGPT and says I will give you my material and what I learned in this material section, every section, and you should tell me am I right, or am I right in the right English writing or in the data structure and algorithms. Yeah, so let's try it. Let's try it for a week. Oh yeah, and I'm having my dinner. So let's try. I think I was learn. I think I am here. Yes, and today we're gonna learn the 1113 and go to the example and practicing. Alright. 1113. Selecting a data structure. It should go without saying that people write programs to solve problems. However, sometimes programmers forget this, so it is crucial to keep this
truism.
To keep this truism in mind when selecting a data structure to solve a particular problem. Only by first analyzing the problem to determine the performance goals that must be achieved can there be any hope of selecting the right data structure for the job. Alright. It should go without saying. What do you mean it? One for four. I don't know, it should go without saying that means, but people write programs to solve problems. I know. Crucial to keep this. Okay. I think this section is saying that sometimes programmers maybe I should put it here and I think this section is saying that I think how to open the test. Fuck. Hi. Hello?
Hi, yes, I'm here. Feel free to share your paragraph and understanding, and I'll help as both an English writing teacher and an algorithm teacher. What would you like to start with?
I want to change my microphone. I'm not using the webcam.
Hey,
I don't want to use.
Got it. If you're not using the web and need to change your microphone, check your device's system settings. Are you using Windows, Mac OS, or something else? I can guide you through it.
Oh, that would be great. I'm using the Windows system.
Take your time. What's the operating system you're using?
I'm using
Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or something else? I'll guide you step by step.
Windows operation system.
Great. Here's how you can change your microphone on Windows. 1. Press Windows I to open the Settings menu. 2. Go to System and then click Sound on the left side. 3. Under the Input section, you'll see a drop-down labeled Choose Your Input Device. Click it and select the microphone you want to use. Let me know if you get stuck.
Alright, I will try it.
Sounds good. Let me know how it goes, or if you run into any issues. I'm here to help.
So I'm in the setting, and I can't find my you mean like input in the input page or where?
Yes. Look for the input section. It should say something like choose your input device. That's where you'll see a list of available microphones. You can click the drop down and select the one you want to use. Do you see it?
No.
No worries. Do you see anything under the input section, like a microphone list or no input devices found? If not, it could be a connection issue. Is your microphone plugged in properly? Or if it's wireless, is it paired?
Yes, because I'm streaming, but while I'm streaming, I'm using my microphone. But in the Google Chrome page, is like you're here, I can see I'm using the microphone that built in my webcam.
Ah, I see what's happening. Your system recognizes the webcam's microphone for Chrome, but you want to switch to another microphone, right?
Yeah,
For Chrome, you can change the microphone specifically for the browser. Here's how. 1. While in Chrome, click the lock icon or camera icon in the address bar at the top left. 2. Look for a microphone setting in the dropdown. And 3. You should see a list of microphones. Select the one you want. If you don't see it, let me know.
Oh, shit, you're a genius.
Haha, glad it worked. Anything else you want to tweak while you're on a roll? Haha, I see what you did there. DALL-E and GPT-4 are quite the dynamic duo. Got something fun in mind for them?
What? Can you speak
Oh,
slowly?
I thought you were referring to DALL-E and GPT-4 in a playful way. Do you want to ask something specific about them? Or perhaps try generating an image with DALL-E or explore how GPT-4 works? Let me know.
Teach me the DSA and English writing.
I'd be happy to help with both data structures and algorithms, DSA, as well as English writing. For DSA, we can start with the basics like arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Once you're comfortable with those, we can dive into algorithms like searching, sorting, dynamic programming, and more. For English writing, I can guide you on things like grammar, sentence structure, clarity, and style. We can also look at organizing paragraphs, building strong arguments, and improving vocabulary. Where would you like to begin? Should we start with an introduction to DSA or a specific...
Wait a fucking minute. Because my microphone is still fucking me. Option 线下方的麦克风。 No.
All right, no worries. If there's something else on your mind or something you'd like to talk about, just let me know.
The microphone of my Chrome web browser is weird.
Got it. It sounds like there might be an issue with your browser's microphone setup. Have you tried checking your browser's permissions or settings to make sure the microphone is enabled? If you're on Chrome, you can check this by going to the settings and looking under privacy and security.
Yes. My problem is the microphone I'm using in the Chrome. I'm using right now is an individual microphone, but in Chrome, that's why I'm talking to you. My Chrome using the microphone is my webcams, and I want to change it.
To adjust your microphone settings in Chrome, open the browser, click the three-dot menu and select Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security and choose Site Settings. Under Permissions, click on Microphone. Here you can set your default microphone and manage permissions for individual sites.
Setting, privacy, camera. Privacy microphone. Issue. All right. about that. Good.
I'm glad that was helpful. If you have any other questions or run into any issues, feel free to ask.
Um,
You're welcome. Anytime you need help, I'm here.
so,
Take your time. If there's anything else you'd like to discuss or need help with, just let me know.
actually, I need a English writing teacher, and also teach me DSA, and I will give you a piece of material and write about what I thinking about this section.
I'd be happy to help with both English writing and DSA. Feel free to share the material or section you'd like to discuss, and we can work on it together.
Oh, cool. Test. Okay. Test. All right. I think this section is saying that sometimes programmers forget they are writing a program. They are programming. They write programs to solve problems. Because they are too focused to the cost of a solution. I think this section is saying that sometimes programmers forget they are writing a program to solve problems because they are too focused to the cause of a solution. Teach me. That is charging. Yeah. Okay. I guess. Okay. Maybe next section. Only by first analyzing the problem to determine the performance goal, that must be okay. Can there be any hope of selecting the right data structure for the job? First, analyzing must be okay. Poor program designers ignore this analysis that apply a data structure that they are familiar with, but which is inappropriate to the problem. The result is typically a slow program. Conversely, there is no sense in adopting a complex representation to improve a program that can meet its performance goals when implemented using a simpler design. I think this section is saying that some programmers are too focused to forget cost of solution. We get writing a program to solve the problem, and some of them are just pick a data structure that familiar with doesn't care about cost. Oh, of the paragraph. I can now say paragraph instead of this section, this paragraph. Flow and precision. Interpretation. And third, clarity.
Clarity.
Clarity.